President of the Republic of Ghana, Your Excellency Azali Assoumani, President of the Union of Comoros and AU Chairperson, Your Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, Your Excellency Dr. Monique, Deputy Chairperson of the African Union Commission, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. At the onset, permit me to convey apologies from His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, who was very keen to participate in this conference, but unable to do so due to prior engagements. Further, I take this opportunity to express my delight for the warm reception and generous hospitality extended to me and my delegation since our arrival in this beautiful city of Accra. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, this historical conference affords us the opportunity to reflect on the many milestones we have achieved together, nationally and collectively. Not long ago, we stood unmoved in the face of adversity to confront the servitude of colonial subjugation and racial discrimination fearlessly. With singular determination, we reclaimed our dignity, freedoms, and right to shape our future. Thank you, Ghana. In Kiswahili, asante sana, Ghana.
Haya, thutha wa makiria ya miaka 10 kuma andu aria maigithitie riu na mugunda wa Gakuyu Real Estate riu mari na ikitumia ukenerera ni thutha wa gukorwo makiamukira kana thutha wa mugunda wa eka 1260